biggest piece I could think. Ooh.
No, 80, yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Man, don't 59. Oh.
Stop. I kind of have it.
This man used to eating sweet. It's sweet. You know how she did it, but it tastes just like some strawberry. Okay, strawberry. Okay, strawberry. And I got everybody a cookie. They probably ain't gonna want it. Yeah, you don't eat oatmeal raisin, do you? Yeah.
Huh?
You don't eat oatmeal raisin, do you?
I do.
Oh, Lord. There you go.
Dang.
There you go. What you think? Man, my baby a big one. You want to go cook again, baby? You got my baby the biggest one. All right, go cook it.
Is that on my face?
Oh, Lord.
Dang, all right. Dang.
Uh-uh.
It's the thickest oatmeal cookie.
It's gonna be good too.
What do you like?
Light in it. Go ahead, girl, with your bacon self.
Taste some cinnamon in there.
All right, we smashing the cookies too, y'all. All right, now, peace.